Kelele ya Ngabana!
Hindi ya mihango ya kuruguria mubango wa uthii wa nambere wa ihinda ria miaka 5 yukite ya thirikari ya kaunti ya Kiambu, mihango eno igitongorio ni Ngabana Ngabana Wamatangi.
Kuringana vile alizudua.
Kuringana na Ngabana Wamatangi, kigina gia ciringi bilioni 168 nicio ikuhuthika hari ukuria wa kaunti ino iria ikoretwo itigirirwo na thutha hari uthii wa nambere.
The 2023-27 plan period will require an estimated resource envelope of about 168 billion in order to comprehensively address the transformation agenda of the county. 127 billion will be funded by the national government appropriations, while 40.17 billion every 2 years will be financed through the private partnerships and development partners.
Itinaini ria gatatu ria thirikari ya kaunti ya Kiambu, kigina gia ciringi bilioni 52 niciongereirwo hari bajeti ya mubango uyu wa uthii wa nambere wa ihinda ria miaka 5.
Unaweza kuwa mtu asikie huzuni ya kwamba miaka 10 ile ilikuwa ya mwanzo ya ugatuzi labda ilipotea. Nataka niwapatie hope na hakikisho ya kwamba those years may have gone, but those years we have a plan to recover them, and we shall recover them by accelerating the pace of work.
Hari maundu maria mekirirwo na njira nene mubango-ini uyu ni utungata wa ugima wa mwiri, githomo, utambia wa mai, barabara, urimi na njira cia kiriu hamwe na maundu mangi maingi ma ukuria.
I have paid every single person who works in this county any area they ever had 100%, and to take it even forward, that we have even now paid people gratuity for time accrued even before they leave office. Kiambu County, tulikuwa tunakuwa ranked number 47 out of 47. For those of you that remember.
Wamatangi ongereire ati kigina gia ciringi bilioni 127.9 ni iria ciumaga kuri thirikari nene, bilioni 52 kuma kuri magoti maria monganagio ni kaunti ino, na ciringi bilioni 40 ikuma kuri unyitaniri na honge ingi. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Wainaina wa Kiarie.